Wait. This channel? This channel is making over $1 million a year with these simple videos where all you have to do is just flip a coin? So there must be a little bit more to it than that, because what I'm about to show you is how this channel is possibly making over $1 million per year. The first way is going to be with their YouTube ad revenue. On this channel, Proactive Thinker is making a lot of it. Over the past 30 days, they've made roughly 1.5 million views. So to get the full year, let's multiply that by 12 months. That is a lot of views. And YouTube pays you for every 1,000 views. So after I divide this by 1,000 views, we now have to multiply this 18,000 by the number that YouTube pays for 1,000 views on this type of channel. And it just so happens that in the finance space, personal finance investing has one of the highest CPMs. And this YouTube channel that we're looking at is in the finance space. So in between $30 to $60, let's say this channel earns $40 for every 1,000 views. So now if we multiply by that $40, you can see that this channel actually estimates around $720,000 in just 1 year with this one revenue stream. Yeah, I did say this one revenue stream because there are others. They're also making money with brand sponsorships, whereby some company that has a product or service to promote pays this channel for an advertising spot in one of their videos. Just like in the beginning of this video, you can see includes paid promotion. And in the first link in the description here says, thanks to Curiosity Stream for sponsoring today's video. Go to Curiosity Stream to get your discount so that everybody could make some money. Because Proactive makes money since Curiosity Stream paid them for advertising in this video. And if anybody clicks this link here and signs up for that $14.99 a year, then the sponsor makes some money as well. And if you hit the like button, then I make some money as well on this video. Well, I don't directly make some money, but it's good for the YouTube algorithm, so don't forget to do that. Now, there is no exact figure as to how much those sponsors are paying them, but based on the amount of subscribers this channel has, as well as the amount of views all of the videos get, the sponsors must be paying them a really high amount. And it's not just that video, a lot of the other videos are sponsored too by other sponsors. And this one is offering a debit card. So you know it's not a little bit of money we're talking about here. And the list goes on here. Now let's talk about the third way that they're probably making over $1 million for the year. And that is with affiliate marketing, which is really straightforward. A company has a product or service to sell, and they need somebody like Proactive Thinker, that YouTube channel, to become an affiliate to help them make more sales. So Proactive Thinker promotes that product or service via their YouTube channel. And when the viewers actually decide to buy the product, those transactions are tracked, and then the company pays Proactive Thinker that commission for making this sale happen. Now, if we look at this one video alone on Proactive Thinker, the sponsor here that's paying them, Curiosity Stream, when somebody clicks this link and subscribes, pays to subscribe, Proactive Thinker actually earns a commission from this as well, an affiliate commission, in addition to the sponsorship. So that's just icing on the cake. But there's a long list of other affiliate programs that they're on here. And these vary from video to video. But in this one, they've signed up to several affiliate programs that anybody can do really. Like with Skillshare, for example. When somebody signs up for Skillshare, yes, they're offering a 14-day free trial, but after somebody signs up with their link here and use the free trial after a 2-week period and decide to subscribe, pay to subscribe, then Proactive Thinker starts to earn a monthly commission as long as that person continues to subscribe. Similarly with this other affiliate link here for audiobooks, which is a link to Audible. Sure, it's free for 30 days, but then it's up to $14.95 a month after free trial. So as long as a customer continues to pay them, then this channel continues to make a commission. And there are a few other investing programs here where they can earn a bit more money with that. And all of those affiliate links are in every single one of their videos. Like this one, for example, that has almost 80,000 views. What about if we were to go on the channel, sort by most popular, and check the second video out here that is less than a year ago, that has 2.5 million views. Inside this video, this first link we're going to come back to in just a few seconds. But as you scroll past that first link, here are all the affiliate links right here again. So just imagine this. If a small percentage of people actually purchased these products and are paying for it on a monthly basis, keep in mind that's from this one video that has over 2.5 million views. I mean, you could do the maths yourself for this, right? Just estimate. Even if you estimate, you might come in lower than how much it actually is. Because it's not that one video alone. Look at the amount of views on their most viewed videos. 2.5 million, 1.7 million, 1.2 million, 1 million, 1 million. That's a lot of money. But it's not all of the money, because there's this other way that they're probably making the most money. And that's by subscribing and hitting the notification bell. They sure make a lot of money like that. Well, not really, but don't forget to do that if you haven't done so already. Now let's get into the real way that they make the most of their money. And that is by selling their own online courses. Do you remember this 2.5 million view video I told you we'd get back to? Well, this first link that we are getting back to here is on, if you can read this, my ultimate course on investing. So imagine if just 1% of these 2.5 million views, that's 25,000 people, clicked the link. Proactive Thinker here will be making a lot more money for the amount of views, the amount of watch time they'll be getting on their digital course here. And that's in addition to the $7 per sign up to Skillshare. And again, that is on this one video alone. Just imagine for all of the other videos. Now remember, we've estimated $720,000 per year with just YouTube AdSense, which is still a lot. But if you add that affiliate marketing, the brand sponsorships, and then finally the online courses, I think it's safe to say that this channel, Proactive Thinker, makes way more than $1 million per year. But if you think this was impressive, there's this other channel that makes even more money than the channel that we talked about in this video. And they have some other revenue streams that I think you'll be particularly interested in. So if you want to find out more about that, as well as how you can start making videos just like that, then go straight into this video next.